Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're looking at a practical, portable solution for hot meals on the go, the Best Electric Lunchbox. Whether you're a trucker, office worker, or just done with cold lunches, this could be your new favorite gadget. Let's get started. Product features: fast and efficient heating. The BudDo AB318 is equipped with an 80-watt PTC heating system. This means your meals heat up fast, usually in just 20 to 25 minutes depending on the food and portion size. It's a great way to enjoy a warm, homemade meal without needing a microwave or stove. Multiple power options. The BudDo AB318 electric lunchbox stands out with its versatile power options, making it ideal for a wide range of users. It supports 110-volt for home or office use, 12-volt for cars, and 24-volt for trucks. Whether you're a trucker, construction worker, commuter, or student, this device ensures you can enjoy a hot meal anywhere. Its flexibility and power sources makes it a reliable choice for anyone needing convenient and portable meal prep on the go. Portable and convenient design. It includes a sturdy handle and comes with an insulated carry bag. Whether you're commuting to work, traveling, or working outdoors, the compact and durable build makes it easy to bring along. Roomy, practical compartments. Inside, you'll find a 1.5-liter stainless steel container for your main dish and a 0.45-liter plastic compartment for sides. These separate sections help you avoid mixing different foods and flavors. Included accessories. It also comes with handy extras like a fork, spoon, fruit box, and 2 power cables. You really don't need to carry anything else. It's a complete meal system. Pros: ready to eat in about 25 minutes. Works in homes, cars, and trucks. Lightweight with a carry bag and handle. Keeps food types isolated and flavorful. Encourages home-cooked meals over takeout. Utensils and containers are included. Stainless steel and plastic parts are easy to clean. Cons: not ideal for large amounts of soup or broth. No timer or control panel, so manual timing is needed. Requires access to a power source to function. Final thoughts. If you're someone who's tired of cold meals or someone who often works on the road or in an office without a microwave, this electric lunchbox is a smart solution. It's affordable, reliable, and versatile enough to be used almost anywhere. We love the quick heating, the convenience of multiple compartments, and the fact that it comes fully equipped with utensils and power cables. Whether you're meal prepping at home or grabbing a quick bite in your car, the BudDo electric lunchbox delivers consistent results without any fuss. You'll find the purchase link in the description below if you want to check the current price. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Best Product, and turn on notifications so you never miss another review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.